Hello stenographers, welcome to Stubborn Stenographers Club. Please subscribe the channel for new dictations और हाँ शेयर लाइक और कमेंट करना ना भूलें. Your dictation will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 start. While strengthening its global positioning on political, economic and technology fronts, India needs to guard against internal security threats, former National Security Advisor said on Tuesday. The country faces a challenging situation of dealing with internal security threats in the form of insurgency in northeastern states, separatist movement in Kashmir. Pakistan-China relations is a cause for concern. Retaliation cannot be an answer to extremist attacks, since the disturbances cannot be caused without local support. The country has to take precautions and be on its guard to ensure that things do not go out of control, Mr. Narayanan said, addressing the centenary year College Day celebration of National College. India's transformation on political and economic fronts while retaining the spiritual heritage and its rise as a key player in global scenario has a few parallels. India is a shining example of democracy and finest constitution and is in a strong position to get a seat in UN Security Council para. The growth rate of India is better than China and the country is poised to overtake USA as economic superpower by 2030. However, the country also has to deal with the educated unemployed. The world is at the beginning of an uncertain phase. The disinformation threat is disrupting normal behavior. The country has to ensure that inequality and income disparity do not cause threat to social fabric. Massive disruptions will occur due to convergence of technologies including artificial intelligence, robotics and big data analytics. The student community needs to develop the skills for accepting the change, the former National Security Advisor said para. In the backdrop of opposition from certain states to the center's plans to create a national counter-terrorism center, Union Home Minister said on Saturday that internal security was a shared responsibility of the center and the state governments. The center, as part of its constitutional obligation, was responsible for protecting all parts of the country from external aggression as well as internal disturbances. The Constitution assigns law and order and police to the state government, but also assigns the central government the responsibility of protecting every part of India from external aggression and internal disturbances under Article 355, he said. He also stressed that the founding fathers of the Constitution, in all their prudence, have made national security or internal security a shared responsibility. Stop.